Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, October 11th. It's currently 9:13 in the morning. We're about to head out to go check on the dogs and that we're baby dog sitting. Go to IHOP to have breakfast. So that's the plan for right now, but we have so much more to record and film today. So let's quickly get ready. I got my phone, my keys, and then my purse, and we're heading out. This is the outfit of the day. And Alana decided to copy me and wanted to be twinsies. Cute. Yeah, we're both wearing white shoes. I changed my shoes, so I have my hair in a braid. Heading out. Nova. Getting out of the cage. Hi, baby. Hi. Whoa. It just stopped raining as we parked, and now we're here. Okay, guys. Oh, that's a pretty color car. Hey, you're wearing sandals. That's crazy. I don't want to mix it. It's too cool looking. You don't have to. I just naturally do. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. You guys need anything? Cinnamon pancakes and chocolate chip pancakes, bacon. Yeah. You guys, we just got out IHOP right now. We're about to go get a Walmart pickup order because our dad made an order for Wally, and yeah. So that's what's gonna happen right now, and yeah. You guys, I just got out of the shower. I now need to get ready. It's currently 3:36 p.m. and we're gonna go out again to go get our nails done, but since nails take long and we're planning on going somewhere fun with lights and taking pictures, and so I need to get ready where I'm gonna go at night, and so yeah, I'm gonna quickly get ready.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Ready? Oh, because I can see it.
Yeah. Ooh, the sky. You guys, we just headed inside of Hobby Lobby. Don't know what for exactly, but yeah, we're in the. Don't know what aisle this is. Yeah. Hey guys, it's actually the next day, so now it's Sunday. Yesterday it was Saturday. I posted 3 videos. Basically I'm gonna give you a little update right now. Since yesterday I posted 3 videos. Those 3 videos are basically the same type of style of video. It's just me going shopping, going to the house to feed the dogs and dog sitting, and then just doing errands and all that. And I didn't want to continue doing all those and continue it into this video, so I didn't record for the rest of the time yesterday. And yeah, anywho, these are my nails. They're cute. They kind of messed up a little bit, but it's fine. But yeah, with that being said, let's get on to this video, or continuing on to this video, which is me just putting some clothes in the dryer and wash machine, because that's something I need to do. I don't know if this is a good angle or not, but anywho, I'm gonna put my clothes in the dryer. I finally managed to get it out. I think I'm gonna let the video end here because, well, my clothes are done and I got nothing else to do, to be honest. Thanks for watching my video. Hope to see you guys in my next video, and peace. Love ya. Mwah.